Today we are making one of the simplest and most loved Portuguese sweets. These coquinhos are sweet, chewy, and packed with coconut flavor. With just a few ingredients, you'll have the perfect bite-sized treats. Let's get baking! Coquinhos. 8 large egg yolks, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 400 grams of sugar, 400 grams of shredded coconut, juice of 1 lemon. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare small molds. Queijada tins or silicone molds work great. Beat the egg yolks with the sugar until you get a pale, fluffy cream. Add the shredded coconut and mix well until combined. Stir in the melted butter and lemon juice. Mix until smooth. Spoon the mixture into the prepared molds using a small spoon. Place a small oven-safe dish with water inside the oven to create steam. Bake at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes until lightly golden on top. Remove from the oven, let cool, then unmold. Serve plain or dusted with powdered sugar. And there you have it. Traditional Portuguese coquinhos that are simple and absolutely delicious. Perfect for coffee or any dessert table. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Faça e coma! Tip number 1, the longer you beat, the lighter your coquinhos will be. Tip number 2, the lemon balances the sweetness and enhances the coconut flavor. Tip number 3, steam helps prevent the coquinhos from drying out.